Ayaw na lang, gusto ko siya.
Ganda ba?
Dahil nakakakalain siya. Ang dami kong bisita. Ayaw niya.
Ayun, pero sa'yo, di ba?
Ay.
200 yan. 200 yan.
Nandun din sabi ko sa'yo.
Oh, yung ganun, halik yun. Namin nakita kayo ng
Ay! Habang hindi kami pinay, habang hindi kami
Tuloy na ang camera. Kiss, kiss, bro. Sarap, sarap.
Wow!
Sige na, sige na.
Bakit sa pisngi? Dapat torid! Torid! Hindi!
Yes, kiss. Tutok ka na si Nomi, oh.
Dito naman sa part na to. Nakatalikod siya. Sisigaw.
Hindi naman yan. Congrats, Kuya Nomi. Tsaka Ate Vanessa.
Kayo naman, kayo naman. Ay, may pagkain pa pala. Thank you. Pati siya, no? Ay, ito na lang mag-video sa kanya. Parang dire-diretso. Slow motion na nagtitinda. Okay lang yung roda.
Ha?
Ayun o!
100.
Eh, nasimulan tuloy.
Kunti lang.
Sige na.
Sige, dagdagay. Dagdagay.
Sige, dire-diretso na. Dire-diretso
Monty.
kayo ng kain. Dito na yun.
Okay na ba ito?
Ano po gusto nyo?
Okay na yan.
Ayan o.
Ay, ages ko na.
Ages.
Kapagod naman.
Pwede ka. Bago na ng Ayun.
Baka dinipitan niya.
Bigay pa rin. Nagdiwan niya.
Patong mo.
Ate, tingnan mo lang sa itsura ni Madam. Kaya niya na lang.
Gusto mo?
Taas mo siya.
Walang gas. Sa tao? Walang gasol eh. Uy, kayo dyan pa rin. Sige sir, moment mo yan. Walang gasol.
Ano po?
Oo.
Luha. Yan.
Hoy!
Para kay Nabi.
Ganobi.
Para sa'yo yan.
Favorite mo yan, di ba?
Di ba? Kung pwede natin mo. Pwede pa magpakuha. Tumayo ka, Roda. Yan. Ano ba? Roda, tumayo ka, bayad ka. Inupo ko siya sa... Grabe, gamit na yun. No. Malibog ka talaga. Yan.
Kailan mo nakakita?
inaantok na kayo. Inaantok na kayo. Grabe. Sasabihan ko na sila sir maya maya. Parang hiyang-hiya si Arvin na.
Sabihin sa akin lahat ng lihim mo. Ingatan ko. Grabe ko rin yung iyan. Sabi ang kakalik ko yung may balik sa akin. Uy, gano'n bigla. Bro, hindi ko na nabigay. So, paano mag-iwas? Kakayanin ko. Ay, andyan ka na pala eh. Itala ko lang kita eh. Sakay ka na.
Chan, sino mag-Yossi?
Do you know what it feels like being alone? I'll find someone new. Swing, swing from the tails of my heart is crushed by former love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again? With gas into the sky, I'm moving on. Sweet beginnings to rise, she knows I was wrong. The notes are wrong, they bend, they fall, and so do I. Do a new one. Do you know that I would cry on the phone? Do you know what it feels like?
Sige, lakas mo!
Being alone.
Lakas mo! Lumibot ka doon, kawayan mo yung mga ano.
Swing, swing from the tails of my heart is crushed by foreign love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again? Close up naman.
Tumabi ka sa akin eh. Ako pala tumabi sa'yo. Ngipin, tenga. Ginagano ko yung butas ng ilong, tenga. Kumalinis o ano.
Bury me. You thought your problems were gone. Carry me away, away, away from the tangles of my heart. It's crushed by a former love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again? Swing, swing from the tangles of my heart. It's crushed by a former love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again?
Parang ang bagal natin, oh. My heart is just
Episode.
my love.
Wala mo dapat yung headbang ka na eh.
Grabe yung mga ano.
Oh.
Ano po? 38 001 643 ano? 38 643
Nantok na si Sir.
Stand naked and accused. She asked the press, this one man's of worry. I only want the truth. So it's not a dream to you. There were sometimes when I'm alone, I wonder. There's a spell that I am under, keeping me from seeing the real thing. But sometimes it's a good road and it feels like I'm alive. Love sings when it drums and the buttons are hard and trying. Without love, I won't survive.
Wow. Wow.
No more gardening dito. Bigyan mo ang gardening.
Thanks.
But sometimes it's a good hurt and it feels like I'm alive. Love sings when it turns into bad things are hard and trying. Without love, I won't survive. Love hurts.
Parang inaano naman yung guys lyrics ha. O bakit tayo may tuloy? O meron ka. O si Jojo. Siya pa. Meron na ba siya?
When you were my baby, when we were younger, you were mine. I'm not gonna stay in no best in love. At least you argue it's alright. Each other in a while, but you know it.
Ayun ata, ayun o. Yun. Ibang-iba yung itsura niya. Ang dami niyang tigidigi. Pero may brace siya eh. Naka-brace eh. Ah, Dave. Sabi niya kanina Marlon. Ano pa talaga? Ano ba talaga? Dave Marlon. Sige, kaya mo yun, Roda.
Ano ba ang ketchup na?
Dapat duet.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right, baby. then. They were too young to know when love is real.
Jade.
Somehow some things never change. Even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. You got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time you'll be loved and they're fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Smiley, smiley,
We want reasons why.
when they try. Something
Sam.
this magic moment, maybe this time you'll be
Naantok ka.
they're fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time.
Yun.
Love will end.
Last.
Last para makaano.
Thank you, Arami.
Wow. Naka 98.
Kulang pa rin dalawa.
Ako ba ng battery? Paumpog na. Maano mo naman siya yan? Ay! Oh, Jo. Social naman. Antok na. Antok na. Last na yan, sir.